You asked, how to divide 6280 by 3 using the long division method. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 2, making 2. 2 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 28 minus 27 equals 1. Bring down 0, making 10. 10 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 10 minus 9 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 2093 remainder 1.